In this video, I'll show you how to export a Squarespace site in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. Head to ExFlow site, a free tool that lets you export your Squarespace site in just a few clicks. Scroll down to the export form and type in the URL of your Squarespace site. You can configure exactly what you want to export, like CSS files, JavaScript files, and images. You can choose to export the entire site or just a specific URL. If your site is password protected, you can enter the password here. Once you've configured your export settings, click the Export button. The tool will start processing your request and export your Squarespace site. Once done, you can download the exported site. It will be a zip file containing all the files you selected. When you open the downloaded site, you'll see that it's working perfectly. You can now host this site anywhere you like or use it for backup purposes. If you want, you can also host your site directly on exflow.site. To do that, go back to the site settings. You'll see options to sync your site with a Git repository, an FTP server, an S3 bucket, or host it on exflow.site itself. Let's edit the site settings. To sync your site, you just need to provide the credentials for the service you want to use. Alternatively, you can host it on ExFlow site by entering a handle for your site. You can also add your domain name to use it as a custom domain. Once that's done, you'll need to do a new export. The export will restart, and your site will be hosted on ExFlow's servers. Let's open our link. And now you'll see the site is live on exflow.site. I hope this tutorial was helpful. ExFlow is a great tool for exporting your Squarespace or even Webflow sites, creating backups, and saving a lot on platform fees. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.